Let's take a look here. Did you see the topic? Transport is important because it enables trade between people, which is essential for the development of civilizations. But how does transport help development of a country? In this video, we'll discuss this topic. India has many different states like Assam, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and many other. And each state of India is famous for producing different crops. They produce it in large quantities and then supply it to other states. For example, Assam is famous for the largest tea growing area in the world. Assam supplies tea to all the regions in India where tea is not produced, like Maharashtra, Haryana, and the other states. Similarly, Nagpur is famous for oranges, which is supplied to other states. Similarly, all the states produce different crops. Other countries do not have the production of these crops, so they have demand for them. Then goods are exported to the other countries. How are goods transported overseas? Is it possible to export the products via truck? No. For international trade, air transport is used. Is one plane enough to export and import goods internationally? No. Many aircrafts are flying at the same time to different places of the world. If only one aircraft would be used for international trade, then that will consume a lot of time to deliver the goods. Similarly, ships are also used to transport goods overseas. Old rusty ships can damage the cargoes. Goods that are to be transported via waterways are taken to the port, and at the ports, these goods are put as cargo onto the ships through cranes and then transported via water transport. If India has a good transport system, then India will progress well. It will help develop economy. So a proper transport system is very important. If there is no transportation, then the economic development of a country will be affected. India produces a variety of spices such as clove, cardamom, etc. The countries which do not have Indian spices have demand for them. They buy different spices from our country, which are exported to them through aircraft or other means of transport. Exports and imports are important for the development and growth of national economy. If India has good transport system, then India will progress well. There are different means of transport. Take a look. Did you see that? First is land transport. Second, water transport. And third is air transport. Now we are going to discuss about this. Take a look here. Did you see that? Land transport. There are three types of land transport: roadways, railways, and pipelines. Let us discuss about roadways. In India, there are different states like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and other states. All the states have road network in India. These roads also connect to India's rural and remote areas. Road transport are used to supply goods from one place to another. For example, the goods produced in the rural areas are supplied to different cities and states. These goods are transported via roadways. Poor road conditions can damage the vehicles and will cause expenses to repair the damage. Smooth roads are important as it makes the driving easier. Roads are of vital importance in order to make a nation grow and develop. And transportation is also important for development. Different goods are transported across India by road. Second, railways. There are two types of trains. Passenger trains carry passengers and freight trains carry goods. If people want to move goods from one place to another, then freight trains are used on which goods are transported. Different kinds of goods are transported by freight trains from one location to another. For example, goods from Delhi to Haryana or Haryana to Bangalore are transported. Freight trains run across the country. Third, pipelines. Pipelines are not used for movement of people. Then what are pipelines used for? Pipelines are used to transport gas, oil, or petroleum. These are important means of land transport. Second, take a look. Did you see that? Water transport. There are mainly two types of waterways. Inland waterways is used to transport goods from one place to another inside a mass of land. In inland waterways, motorboats, river cruise ships, and boats are used. Overseas waterways are the waterways that connect different countries of the world. They are mainly used for transporting goods internationally. In overseas waterways, international cruise ships operate. It is a large ship that stops at different ports and carries passengers who are traveling for pleasure. Did you see that? These are water transport. Third is air transport. Take a look. Did you see that? Air transport is used to move passengers and cargo by aircraft across the globe. Air travel can be separated into two general classifications. First, domestic flights. Example, flights coming from Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Hyderabad, etc. So flights from one point to another within the same country are called domestic flights. Did you see that? A domestic flight is one that stays within the same country. Second, international flights means flight from one country to another. Flights from India to America, England to Europe, etc. These are international flights. Did you see that? These are the means of transport that you all must remember. Transportation is very beneficial for the growth and development of a country.